long break. Hello everyone. It was finally time to replace my old aquarium. One of the best parts of this hobby is setting up new tanks. I'm setting up a 50-liter aquarium, and of course it's for my favorite shrimps. This will be a quick and simple setup. First, I added some lava rock to create elevation. It's not only great for structure, but also excellent for beneficial bacteria. On top of that, I'm using only silica sand, keeping it budget-friendly yet effective. I'm planning to plant certain areas only. I'll be using cryptoscarine, my must-have Baciphilandra species, and for the tree, a bit of moss. I can't quite remember the exact moss type since I recorded this video a few months ago. Alder cones and some leaves are also essential for shrimp aquariums. They help create a natural environment and provide beneficial tannins for the water. After the setup, I added a few more things, including L144 longfin, a mangrove root, and some other small details. And finally, you'll see how quickly the shrimp population has grown. It's been around 3 to 4 months and the aquarium has fully settled. Now, let's watch the whole process together. Enjoy the video.